Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start a Toyota Camry XSE. Remote starting your car can be incredibly convenient, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons. We'll cover two primary methods, using your factory key fob and utilizing the Toyota app. Both options offer a simple way to get your vehicle ready before you even step inside. Let's get started. To remote start your Camry XSE using the key fob, it's a simple sequence. First, ensure your doors are locked. Then, quickly press the lock button on your fob 2 times. On the third press, hold the lock button down for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the vehicle's lights flash, confirming the engine has successfully started. This method is great for quick starts within about 80 feet of your car. For even greater convenience and range, you can use the Toyota app. First, download the official Toyota app to your smartphone and log in. From the app's main screen, locate and press the Start Engine button. Make sure to hold it down for a few seconds until the command is sent. Your Camry XSE will start, and the engine will run for 10 minutes, allowing the cabin to reach your desired temperature. Here are a few important tips for remote starting. For safety, your Camry's engine will automatically turn off if any door is opened after a remote start. Also, while the key fob method often works for an extended period, the Toyota app's Remote Connect features typically include a 1-year free trial, followed by a subscription fee of around $8 per month. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Once inside, simply press the brake and the start button to drive away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.